Now, if there is any way of making scalable money online as a beginner, it's with YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $100 a day or more uploading just YouTube Shorts videos. And I don't mean monetizing the Shorts videos with YouTube ads. You also don't necessarily need to have the YouTube Shorts camera, so you don't have to show your face, and above all, you don't even need to create the Shorts videos yourself. You see, YouTube Shorts, if you still do not know, is YouTube's way of getting back to TikTok. I say that because YouTube Shorts videos are the same as TikTok videos. The only advantage YouTube Shorts videos have over TikTok videos is the fact that they belong to YouTube and Google, which are both giant search engines. So there is a high chance that your Shorts videos will be getting more views in the long term than your TikTok videos. YouTube Shorts videos are basically 1 minute long vertical videos on YouTube. Here are some examples of short tutorial videos I've been posting on this channel. Now, since this channel is enabled for monetization, I have the option of monetizing these Shorts videos with YouTube ads. You can also do the same on your channel if you choose, but the truth is, Shorts videos are good for generating views on your channel, but they make your channel almost nothing in terms of YouTube ads monetization. So then, how can you make up to $100 a day or more with just YouTube Shorts videos? Actually, it's very simple and many creators are already doing it. It's called micro reviews. You surely must have seen a lot of long YouTube review videos based on any particular product. It can be based on digital or new tech products, health products, and the different Amazon products. You can make a short video reviewing something that you have been using or you have bought before. Maybe it's a new phone or a health product like a weight loss product, for example. That means you first have to become an affiliate of any of the products that you want to promote in your YouTube Shorts video. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to set up a campaign with YouTube Shorts videos, so you'll be able to start making up to $100 or more by just simply uploading Shorts videos, and you don't even have to create the videos yourself. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in automating the growth and monetization of your YouTube channel, make sure to click on the YouTube automation ideas and tip playlist that pops up on the top right of this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So usually the first thing you want to do when starting $100 a day YouTube Shorts campaign like this is to decide on the niche you want to work with. Now, to be able to know which YouTube Shorts niche is getting the most views on YouTube, here is what to do. Simply type on the search bar here #shorts, give a space and add a plus sign, and then another space, and finally your niche keyword, which in this case is dog training. This is the search string you want to use when finding YouTube Shorts videos in any niche. Now, you can easily see the number of views and engagement in this niche or targeted keyword from the displayed videos. This will help you judge if people are interested in the niche keyword you want to target or not. So as you can see from this example, the dog niche is getting a lot of views and engagements. Now, depending on the niche you want to work with, the next step is finding a product to promote. There are many different affiliate programs you can join online to find products to promote. You have the Amazon Associate program, for example, which allows you to promote any product on Amazon and make commissions from anyone you send to Amazon who ends up buying something from the platform. For digital products, you have platforms like ClickBank, Digital24, which is similar to ClickBank, and if you can't get into ClickBank, there is also Warrior Plus and JVZoo, all listing digital products in their marketplace for affiliates like you and I to promote. YouTube Shorts videos just happen to be one of many ways of promoting these types of products. Bloggers and some YouTube creators have been doing it for long. So in this example, we are going to be using ClickBank as an example, and we are going to go with the dog training niche keyword. Now, to find a top selling product on ClickBank in a niche that you are interested in, simply type the keyword here, in this case dog training, and then you want to sort it by gravity. Gravity on ClickBank is a metric that determines how many affiliates have sold a particular product in the last couple of weeks. So when the gravity of a product is high, that shows that many people are buying the product. That means the product converts, and all you have to do is lead people to click on your affiliate link to get to the sales page of the product. So if you look at the dog training offer here, the gravity score is over 90, which goes to prove that if you promote this product, you can easily make a sale within a very short time. And if anybody buys the product, you make at least $30. So you just need to sell 4 of these a day to start making $100 a day. However, there are other products that need just 1 sale a day to start making $100 a day. The truth is, there will be some days that no one will buy through your affiliate link, but there will be other days that more than just one person will buy, which will easily balance up with the other days you didn't make any sales. Now, you can be a judge of this yourself. If your video is getting views like this, will it be still that hard for people to start clicking on your promotional link? Will it be that hard to start making a couple of sales per day from thousands, if not millions of views? Not forgetting the fact that we are already sure that the product already converts based on the research we already did. So to get the promotional link to promote any offer here on ClickBank, simply click on the promote button here, and you'll be required to fill in your ClickBank account ID so that your sales will be tracked to you. You also have the option of adding your own personal tracking code to know what specific video, for example, that made the sales. So when you click on the generate link button here, you'll be given this long affiliate link. Now, before going on, you first want to make sure you shorten the affiliate link, because YouTube's engine bots might look at this link as a spammy link. You can use any link shortener like bit.ly to shorten your affiliate link by just copying it and pasting it into bit.ly, and the shortened version of your affiliate link will be generated. This is the link you want to paste in your video description so that your viewers can click on it. But for now, you want to copy and save it somewhere you'll easily find, because you'll need it very soon. In the meantime, you want to create a video that will lead viewers to click on the link, right? So how do you go about creating shorts videos without making the videos yourself? Where can you download video clips that are related to the products you are trying to promote? Video clips that will not lead to any copyright claims. A good place to start with is the YouTube Creative Commons videos. So, for example, if I make a search for dog brain training on YouTube, to get the Creative Commons videos, you simply click on the filter feature here and select Creative Commons from the options here. YouTube will now display all the Creative Commons videos related to your search keyword. Now, to verify if any of these videos is licensed under the YouTube Creative Commons, simply click on the video, and then when the video opens up, you want to click here below to expand the description box. Below the description box, you will see the license here states Creative Commons. Now, what you want to do next is simply copy the link of the video and head over to btcloud.com. Paste in your link, select video here, and download the MP4 file and save it on your device. Now that you have the video you want to use for your shorts video, head over to Capwing and sign up for an account. Capwing is the video editor I'm going to use in this example to convert the video I just downloaded to a shorts video, but you can use any other video editor of your choice. Capwing is a video editing tool that you can use to convert your YouTube videos into vertically shaped videos. So after uploading the video intro I want to use for my shorts video into the Capwing video editor, next is clicking on the Canva option here on the right and select the 9:16 option, which will give you this vertical template to work with. Then you want to adjust the video to fit nicely within the template, and since YouTube shorts are less than 60 seconds long, you want to also make sure that you cut out any extra parts of the video. So after you're finished with your video editing, you can now download it and upload it on YouTube, just like you would do with any regular video you upload on YouTube. So after uploading the video on YouTube, what's important to do next is adding the hashtag shorts in the video title, descriptions and tags, simply because that's what YouTube needs to see to know that your video is a shorts video, and hence will rank your video with the other shorts videos. Now in the description area here, you want to go where you saved your affiliate link you shortened using Bitly. Copy it and paste it as the first or second line in your video description. So for example, you can ask a question or give a call to action that will entice your viewers to click on your link, and then add your shortened affiliate link. Next is optimizing your video with the YouTube Shorts tags as well as related search keywords, and then follow the necessary steps to post the video. All you have to do next after posting your video on YouTube is promoting the heck out of the video, because the more views the video gets, the more money you make. It's that simple. Now if you don't know how to promote your shorts videos, make sure to check out the link that pops up on the top right of this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.